All right, good morning, everybody. Here's how you can add a video into this discussion forum in case you want to practice with each other. You just want to download something here so somebody else can hear what you're playing before you get to the app. So I'm on the discussion forum now, and I just want to add a reply to this, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click here on the reply, and then in here, I could say something like, "Here is my recording of," and then just whatever you've written down. But what you want to do is grab this button right here. See that? It says record upload media. And left click on that arrow. And now it's going to come up with this to see if, now it may come up with a window that says, do you want to turn on your camera or do you want to turn on your audio? If that's the case, then you just say yes. Then you go. So record media. So I've got my instrument ready to go. I'm going to have my music ready to go. Everything's already set ahead of time. I press record and it's going to count down and away we go. Oh, fix my collar there. Que terrible. All right. So I'm recording myself just talking right now, just doing whatever. Pretend I'm playing. And then I finish. Quick recording of that, however long that is. Okay. Then I'm going to save it. And now I should be able to upload the media. Oh, it uploaded by itself. Sorry, there it is. And boom, there it is. Now the media is set to go. And now I can come down here to the bottom right here on my own post, do post reply, boom, and the reply is there. So I can click on that now just so you can see it. It's popping right up, and it's doing everything it needs to do here. So uh, I think it's not recording. Yeah, it's not getting my sound because I'm actually recording on the screen now. Okay, just make sure your sound is on too as well, but it will catch for your audio. It will ask for your audio as well. So say yes to video, say yes to audio, and that's what you do. Easy peasy.